Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Oreo chocolate chip cookies. They are chocolate chip cookies with lots of chopped Oreos inside. They are so good if you love Oreos and chocolate chip cookies. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture is light and pale. Then add in the eggs one at a time, make sure they're at room temperature. Mixing really well after adding each one. Then add in the vanilla extract. Mix it in until it's combined. Then beat the mixture on high speed for another 30 seconds. Then add in the dry ingredients. And mix them in by hand just until they're combined. Then roughly chop the Oreos. And add them into the cookie dough. And add in the chocolate chips. And fold them in until they're thoroughly combined. Then scoop the dough out onto an ungreased sheet pan, spacing them out at least 1.5 inches apart to give them room to spread. Then bake them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes until they're just starting to brown around the edges. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool on the pan for 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool a little longer. And you can serve them still warm or cooled completely. If you like, you can even add some more chopped Oreos on top of the cookies so people know what's inside. And bake them in the oven in the same way. And that's how to make Oreo chocolate chip cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.